I'm back at Devon Cliffs and it's construction update time. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the three areas that are going under a transformation here at Devon Cliffs: Cedars, Spruces and Bayview. So we're starting off just down here at Cedars, where they are moving the caravans back from the cliff edge. Here we go then, so this is Cedars. So like I did just say, they're bringing 6 of the caravans back from the cliff edge and they're moving 2 down to Spruces, but I'll have a look at where they're going in a few moments. Yeah, not a lot has changed on here since last week. They've put some more turf in though, which is looking good. Yeah, another bit of an angle up here. As you can see, they're just working down there at the moment. Yeah, they've put a lot of turf in here since last week. Looking really nice. Here from Cedars. So yes, I'm just making my way down to Spruces now. As you can see here, this is all the decking ready to go back in on Cedars up there. Just making my way down the hill to Spruces. Yeah, so as you can see here, got some more decking for up there. Right, I'll see you when I get down there. Here we go then, back at Spruces. So in front of us here, this is where the 2 pitches are going to be going. And we can see down here they are still working on the trenches, which we did see last time we were here. So I'm going to make my way up the hill to the left here, and I'll show you a bit further up. Here we go then. So not a lot has actually changed here at Spruces since last week. We're still working on the trenches. Yeah, where we just were down there, that's where the 2 pitches are going, and up this way, where they're adding the additional 4. I'll put the plans for this on the screen now, if you haven't seen them already. So there we go. Now I'm going to be making my way to my last area, which is Bayview. Here we go. So I was just on my way to Bayview and I found out they've put this new path in here. So obviously the 4 pictures I just shown you are just through there. And they've put this pathway in here. So this comes right down here and continues down here and just connects to the road. Yeah, I don't know how long that path's been along there. I haven't seen it before, so obviously gone in recently. Yeah, must have just missed it last week if it was in here. But I hope you're enjoying today's video so far. If you are, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below. I really do appreciate your support. Well, I'm just on my way now down to Bayview as we have a look at that area. So here we go then at Bayview. So when I was here it was quite noisy, so I'm just going to do a voiceover for this bit. So as you can see, they have got the base layer for the tarmac in here, just waiting for them to put the top layer on. And then in the centre of the screen there you can see some pallets with some resources on, which we believe to be for a fence down the side. Now we'll put the plans on the screen now so you can sort of see what they're doing. They're just bringing some caravans back from the edge of the cliff. Here we go then, a bit further up now. Not much has changed up here. These are just ready for the caravans now really. Just a few last bits down there. These are pretty much ready for the caravans. Gonna get a great view from here in the summer, because of the lovely weather today. So I've just made my way to Willows here, and here we go, here's the 2 pitches where 2 of the caravans will be going from Bayview. View's gonna be incredible from up here. Yeah, not a lot has changed along here. These pitches are just ready for the caravans to go in really. So yes, that does bring my construction update here from Devon Cliffs to an end. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy. And yeah, I'll see you in a couple of weeks' time when these areas will hopefully be finished. So thank you for watching my last construction update from this mini-series. I do hope you have enjoyed it. Now, for me, Callum, I'll see you in the next video, everybody. Goodbye.